So I'm now going to show you how you can perform some rotations on a coordinate plane using plain old fabulous see-through deli paper. And the first rotation we're going to do, we're going to rotate this triangle 90 degrees and we're going to rotate it clockwise. And our center point is going to be point C. That means that that is the point that we are going to rotate it around. So 90 degrees clockwise, center point is C. So I'm going to take my see-through deli paper here and I'm going to use it to make a nice copy of triangle ABC. And it's very important to make sure that you remember to label your coordinates when you do this also, because sometimes when you rotate it, it's really easy to forget which one went where. So I'm going to label it ABC. Now, because I'm rotating it clockwise, that means I'm going to rotate it in this direction. And I'm rotating it 90 degrees, which means I'm going to keep rotating until my pre-image side forms a 90-degree angle with my newly rotated side. And you can tell, you can see through the paper that side BC forms a 90-degree angle with my newly rotated version of BC. So then all I have to do is kind of use the patty paper. I can see through it and tell where all my new points go. It's like A goes right here. So I'm going to lift up the paper, put it right there. My new B goes right here. And I'm using what's called prime notation to put the little tick mark next to it, and that lets me know that that shape, or anybody who happens to see my shape, it lets them know that those are the points that have been rotated. And it's always a good idea to double check yourself just to make sure, because we certainly all make mistakes. And I can look and see that my original side BC does in fact form a 90-degree angle with my newly rotated version of BC. So I know for sure that I rotated it correctly. Another thing that they do sometimes is they will ask you to rotate it around the origin. So now the origin is going to be my center point of rotation. Of course, the origin is right there in the middle.